question that is coming to my mind right now is like you have worked back in India for almost so many years, and now you have been working here in Canada for almost 3 years now. So I really want to understand and you want to know your thoughts, like how you felt, like what's the difference of you working back in India and you working here in Canada? I mean to say, like, how is it different in work-life balance?
Yes, good question. I think most of the people who are working in India and maybe different countries, especially being in Asia, right? So, Indian culture in terms of working in corporate is totally different compared to working here in North America. People have their lives. I would say when I say lives, that means that work is not everything. Sometimes you have to take a break, uh, work as per the schedule, which I think, based on my experience in India, not naming any specific company, but the culture is that people are supposed to be, I would say, available every time if their manager or their boss wants, even during the weekends or during the public holidays, which I think is not to glorify about, and people should not be even thinking of it doing it, because if you are getting paid a fixed salary, and you should be working for what you are paid, and obviously you should be focused on your work and doing it with full, I would say, confidence, and as well as giving your 100%. But when it comes to balancing your like work and life balance, it's very important that you should ensure that you take those required breaks, especially not having to work during the weekends or public holidays. I think that is the one thing which I found different in Canada, that people are people are actually ensuring that they spend time with their families. They don't wait for weekends, I would say, or even for vacations. That even during the weekdays, I saw people just wrapping up work on time, 5:30 p.m., and then spending time with family sometime during weekdays, going for dinners with family and their friends. So yeah, they do have life, they enjoy it to the fullest, and also work really hard. So that's, I think, should be there for different developing nations. I know China works really hard, India works really hard, but I think it's important that you should be having that balance in your work and life, and ensuring that it also gives you mental peace. Yeah.
Yeah, well said. However, I want to add one more thing. Like, one thing that I've noticed here is like there is no micromanagement. Like, you're free to do your own stuff. And the other thing is like your manager really encourages you to take that vacation, and they really want you to disconnect from the work when you are on vacation. So, no call, no text messages, no emails, nothing. So they really encourage that culture, like if you're away on vacation, just disconnect from the work and enjoy that time with your family. And also it likes, when it is said like 9 to 5, it is actually 9 to 5. There is no disturbance or no calls or messages coming from the office after working out. So that's what I really liked about it.
Yes, correct. I think, agree. That will be important to mention, that even if I give my example, I've never, last 2.5, almost 3 years, my manager, my director, never even called my phone during the weekends. Even I think my previous manager did not even have my phone number. So we used to only interact during Microsoft Teams or through official channel, and then yeah. So weekends, vacations are really important, and they ensure that you take those, you consume those vacation, and they encourage that the employee should get the required time off, which he or she deserves after working so hard. So I think if that can be implemented, especially in India, in different cultures, different organization, or even different sectors, it will be great. And labor laws, I think, needs to be improved. I know I heard some news that labor laws are getting stricter in India to ensure no one is exploited and everyone gets paid equally. But I think there's a long way to go. With obviously 1.45 billion population, it's difficult to maintain. But yeah, someone has to start, and I saw some startups ensuring that you get a work-life balance and employees are rewarded and also encouraged to take the required time off which is required. Yeah, that's it.
Great, awesome. Thank you, guys.